Good morning to our fellow classmates, especially Ma'am Vine. Our topic is all about mixture problems. Oil refineries sometimes produce gasoline that is a blend of two or more types of fuel. Bakeries occasionally blend two or more types of flour for their bread. These problems are referred to as mixture problems because they combine two or more quantities to form a mixture.
Blending coffees. The manager of a Starbucks store decided to experiment with a new blend of coffee. She will mix some B-grade Colombian coffee that sells for $5 per pound with some A-grade Arabica coffee that sells for $10 per pound to get 100 pounds of the new blend. Selling price of the new blend is to be $7 per pound, and there is to be no difference in revenue between selling the new blend and selling the other types. How many pounds of B-grade Colombian coffee and how many pounds of the A-grade Arabica coffee are required? Let's see. Represent the number of pounds of the B-grade Colombian coffee. Then 100 minus C equals the number of pounds of the A-grade Arabica coffee. Since there is to be no difference in revenue between selling the A and B grades separately and selling the blend, we have this. Now we solve the equation. 5C plus 10 open parenthesis 100 minus C close and 7 multiplied by 100. Multiply 7 and to 100. So 5C plus 10 open parenthesis 100 minus C close parenthesis equals to 700. Distribute 10 into the terms within the parentheses. So 5C plus 10 multiply 100 minus 10C equals 700. So multiply 10 and 100. So 5C plus 1000 minus 10C equals 700. So combine like terms. So open parenthesis 5C minus 10C close parenthesis plus 1000 equals 700. So 5, unahin muna natin sa loob ng parenthesis. So 5C minus 10C is equal to negative 5C plus 1000 equals to 700. Move 1000 to the other side. So 5C ay negative 5C equals 700 minus 1000. Subtract 700 and 1000. Negative 5C equals negative 300. So divide negative 5 from both sides. So we have negative 5C over negative 5 equals negative 300 over negative 5. So cancel negative 5. So cancel negative 5 and divide negative 300 over negative 5. So the answer is C equals 60. The manager should blend 60 pounds of B-grade Colombian coffee with 100 minus 60 equals 40 pounds of A-grade Arabica coffee in the desired blend. So the 60 pounds of B-grade coffee would sell for $5. Multiply 60 equals $300. And the 40 pounds of A-grade coffee would sell for $10. Multiply 40 equals to $400. The total revenue is $700. equals the revenue obtained from selling the blend as desired.
You are a chemist working in a laboratory and you need to create a mixture of two chemical solutions with specific properties. Solution A contains 40% of chemical X and solution B contains 25% of chemical X. You need to create 500 milliliters of a final solution that contains 30% of chemical X. How many millimeters of each solution A and B should you mix to achieve this desired concentration? To create a final solution with 30% of chemical X, let's denote the amount of solution A needed to mix as X millimeters and the amount of solution B as Y millimeters. The total volume of the final solution is 500 millimeters. So, X plus Y is equals to 500. We want the final solution to contain 30% of chemical X. So, 0.4X plus 0.25Y is equals to 0.3, the quantity of 500. Now, we have a system of two equations. X plus Y is equals to 500, then 0.4X plus 0.25Y is equals to 0.3, the quantity of 500. Equation 2, multiply 0.3 to 500. So we have 0.4X plus 0.25Y is equals to 150. From equation 1, express Y in terms of X. Y is equals to 500 minus X. Substitute this expression for Y into equation 2. So, 0.4X plus 0.25, the quantity of 500 minus X is equals to 150. Distribute 0.25 into the terms within the parentheses. 0.4 plus 0.25 over 500 minus 0.25x is equals to 150. Multiply 0.25 to 500. So we have 0.4x plus 125 minus 0.25x is equals to 150. Combined like terms. Quantity of 0.4x minus 0.25x plus 125 is equals to 150. So, 0.15x plus 125 is equals to 150. Move 125 to the other side. So, we have 0.15x is equals to 150 minus 125. Then, subtract 150 and 125. 0.15x is equals to 25. Now, divide 0.15 from both sides. So, we have 0.15x over 0.15 is equals to 25 over 0.15. Cancel 0.15. Now, the x is equals to 25 over 0.15. The final answer is 25 over 0.15 is equals to 166.67. Thank you for joining us today on this journey of discovery and learning. I'm Von Angelo S. Matundo.
And I'm John Christian Lelis, and that is the presentation of Group 6.